Hi, today I will show you how to update your iPhone to iOS 18. Go to Settings. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi. Then go to General Settings. Go to Software Update. Wait for few seconds, your phone is checking for updates. You will see the latest available update. But scroll down to iOS 18 update. Now select Upgrade to iOS 18 option. You can read about the software update. Now select Update Now and enter your passcode. Now select Agree to the terms and condition. And your update will be started downloading. After downloading, you can select Install Now. Once updated, your phone will start again, and then go to your settings. Select General and then Software Update. And there you go, your iPhone is updated to iOS 18. Thanks for watching this tutorial.